Today, we will introduce to you the ingredients and recipe for making teriyaki salmon. A. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, about 6 oz each, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons mirin or rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, optional for thickening, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds for garnish, 2 green onions, chopped, for garnish. B. Instructions. 1. Prepare the teriyaki sauce. In a small bowl, mix soy sauce, honey, mirin, sesame oil, minced garlic, and ginger. Whisk well to combine. If you prefer a thicker sauce, dissolve cornstarch in 1/4 cup water and add to the mixture. 2. Marinate the salmon. Place the salmon fillets in a shallow dish or Ziploc bag. Pour about half of the teriyaki sauce over the salmon, ensuring all fillets are coated. Marinate for 20 to 30 minutes in the fridge. 3. Cook the salmon. Heat a non-stick skillet or grill pan over medium heat. Lightly oil the pan. Remove the salmon from the marinade. Discard the marinade. Cook the fillets skin side down for 3 to 4 minutes, then flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the salmon is cooked through and has a golden glaze. 4. Simmer the sauce. In a small saucepan, heat the remaining teriyaki sauce over medium heat. If you added cornstarch earlier, simmer until the sauce thickens, about 2 to 3 minutes. Stir frequently to avoid burning. 5. Serve. Drizzle the thickened teriyaki sauce over the cooked salmon fillets. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Serve with steamed rice and stir-fried vegetables for a complete meal. Enjoy! Hope you enjoy this dish. Please subscribe to the channel to see more new recipes.